Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create buttons inside of Looker Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to lookerstudio.google.com, sign into your account, and then open up your report that you'd like to add a button inside of. So I've got this report here. Now from here we need to go ahead and click on the insert button or insert tab and then scroll down, and then we're going to see button here. So go ahead and click on the button and you can position this wherever inside of your report. It will say new button. We can go ahead and change the text here if we like. Now on the right side we can go ahead and click assign action, go to page, select the target page. We've got the button action type, navigation, report actions, filter, the button link. It can be static or dynamic link. So there's a few different things we can do here. We can change the style, so the font color and the font size, the different type of the font, the color, opacity. So yeah, you can muck around with this button inside of your report here.